Apple AirTag is one of the simplest yet most powerful tracking devices available today, especially for users already inside Apple's ecosystem. It is a small, button-shaped device that connects to the Find My app on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, allowing you to track everyday items like keys, bags, wallets, or even luggage. The setup is extremely easy, and once connected, the AirTag integrates seamlessly into Apple's ecosystem, making it feel like a native part of your device rather than a separate gadget. The biggest strength of the AirTag is its tracking system. It uses Bluetooth for nearby tracking and Apple's massive Find My network for long-distance tracking. This network relies on millions of Apple devices worldwide to anonymously detect and update your AirTag's location. In real-world use, this makes it incredibly reliable, especially in cities or crowded areas where Apple devices are everywhere. With the latest 2026 AirTag 2, Apple has improved the core experience without changing the design. The new version comes with a second-generation ultra-wideband chip, which significantly improves precision finding. You can now locate items from farther away with more accurate directional guidance, making it easier to find lost belongings indoors or in complex environments. Apple also upgraded Bluetooth range and made the built-in speaker up to 50% louder, which directly improves usability when trying to locate items nearby. In terms of design, nothing has changed, and that is both good and bad. The AirTag is compact, lightweight, and customizable with engraving, but it still lacks a built-in hole or attachment point. This means you must buy accessories like keychains or holders separately, which adds extra cost. The battery is a replaceable CR2032 coin cell that lasts about a year, which is convenient since you don't need to recharge it. Another major highlight is Apple's focus on privacy and safety. AirTags are designed with anti-stalking features, meaning if an unknown AirTag is traveling with you, your iPhone will alert you. The device can also play a sound to reveal its presence. These features make it one of the safer tracking solutions compared to many competitors. However, the AirTag is not perfect. The biggest limitation is that it only works within Apple's ecosystem. Android users cannot fully use it, which makes it less versatile compared to some competitors. Also, while it works great for tracking objects, Apple does not recommend using it for tracking pets or people. Another downside is that accessories are required for most use cases, which increases the overall cost. Overall, the AirTag is an excellent tracking device that does exactly what it is designed for, and it does it extremely well. The 2026 update makes it even more reliable with better range and louder alerts, but it remains an incremental upgrade rather than a complete redesign.